Demi and Shimari. Wow. Oh, happy birthday, Shimari. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna wish you a very, very happy birthday and of course more birthday to come. Thank you so much. And of course more candle to blow, Shimari. Hello, Amal. Thank you so much, Amal. Where is Chandan? Share or Chandan? Oh, thank you so much, Shimari. You like my hair. I really appreciate it. Amal. Yes, Amal. Correct. Thank you. See, even though AK doesn't remember you, Chandan, eh? Yes. Happy birthday, Shamari. Big shout out to AK again, to Amal. Big shout out also to Shimari. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health always and many, many more birthday to come and blue candles. And Demi Lister, big shout out also for being my number one top fan. To